Makes sense. Makes sense.
All right, let's start right now. See nobody else join from the group. Just see me and you, me, you viewed the message in the group.
Yeah. You just said no. No,
I
oh
mean,
no, I don't view. No, I see it, but I don't view it.
yeah, but this
I don't
is
know.
the reason. All right, well, this is what I'm seeing. So on the daily chart, I like that we took this high. This was the high, the the, the daily high that we were talking about yesterday. I wanted to see get taken, and we got that. But I really and truly wanted some trading inside of this range, from
Yeah.
here to here, inside of there. I wanted some trading inside of there, like to top this
Yeah. Maybe a
the
closure.
opening price of the OB.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wanted the top of the opening price of the OB, but as you saw yesterday, I sold. I still sold. I still had a limit set right here,
Yeah.
and we collected all of that yesterday. That was good. That was very good for the PM session. And you realize how I did it when I realized that I had enough profit and
That's
it's a
good.
valid area, the M5 order block, and the time where the market have left to complete its job. I just said, all right, fuck it. I'm leaving here. And you see what happened after that? We had a rally up because they can't sell in a discount. They have to sell from some type of premium price. So you see that rally down that we sold yesterday, that was
Mm-hmm.
it creating the dealing range. And you see after we exit, when we hit the premium array, the order block, the discount array, the order block, the 5 minute order block,
Yeah.
we started to go up to create that for retracement into the premium so we could sell for 4 p.m. So that was one of the big things behind why I came out right there too. But if I have to anticipate them thing there, most of them are create a dealing range. The PDR is hit, so we need to get retracement now. But took out that, but I really want to see some trading inside of this order block here. So I'm actually right now. Of course, I'm sure, but I wouldn't be surprised if we start trending upwards again. But yeah, and yeah, I'm looking for if I was going to go long, if I'm looking long, of course, my first target would not be the daily order block. It have to be some type of M1 area, which is who we get to. But as you can see, we had the OB being created because this is the daily high. We closed above it, trade down, OB created. They run out. This was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday them run it out. So if we even break even on the stops, would I get stopped out? Because right at 4 p.m. they ran it out first and then drop price. I'm gonna clear up this. Long time I use the Windows PC, Mac, the Mac just better, bruh. But what did I say again? Yeah. So we could have tell
Yeah.
this downward movement was coming, but let's just drop to M1 now. Let's come up with this foolishness, the higher time frame, and I did them thing there. But this is the sell that I was talking about in the in the Telegram, as saying that 1250, 12,580, 12,580 was our target. So I wanted to see these lows be swept. 1280, these lows of the order block. Yeah, around these prices. So I wanted to see this imbalance get filled right here. So that's why I was aiming for 12. How do you copy on this again? Shift.
If I heard clear. Oh no, sorry. No, no. That's Mac.
Nice. Command do it on max.
No, just
Control.
right click it,
Oh,
and then
fine, 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 fine. But yeah, I wanted to see that get filled at seven. I think it was like 750, 750 around this price. So the reason why I also said that I wanted to see prices go higher is because you want to either sell in liquidity or sell at a premium imbalance, right? We were right here. There is a premium imbalance over here, right? There is with this being a fair value gap, and there being so many gaps over here. But it's obvious that this whole area right here is an imbalance. Because there's so much things going on here. So from here to here, the whole of that is an imbalance. So we need to find a high that is potentially higher than that. Because we know so that is not real. It's I won't say it's not real price action, but it's I'm not interested in it. So I want to try to find some type of high inside of a high before that. So what I want to see is that high get reached for. We got that high, plus there's an imbalance there, the fair value gap or the pairing that is occurring right here. So that's what I was looking for. So that's why I was saying that I wanted to short. So it traded below there, came back up to there. So this is where I wanted to short. So from here all the way to here, may I try for load of the thing. And that's why I'm asking if my forex funds is kind of tripping out because I couldn't get in. So I wanted to target. I wanted to short here. I think it was like a 10-point stop. Here, I believe this order block right there. So yeah, 10 points. Boom. 300 points that. But yeah, I say I want to see prices going higher so we can short down again. But right now, what I want to see is 12,700. Want to see these areas get tested again, or this imbalance within this imbalance get tested again. 12,700, yeah. I want to see 12,700.
Scroll up. Can I go to the left? Let me see something real quick. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
It's actually come up for the M5,
That's
M1.
London's low. Yeah. Okay.
We do have to focus on the sessions because we know what we're trading. We're trading 9:30 to 11. That price that price action is what we're trading. Well, there's definitely liquidity beneath here.
You're gonna tell us to know. It's not part of your system, right there.
Well, going long here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but remember I tell you say from this happened that this morning I'm
Oh yeah.
not really fucking around and and I see myself. You realize we've been trading together for about 3 weeks now. And you realize I don't show much emotions when I'm trading. But
Yeah, kind
once
of.
I start showing emotions, I know say, yo, something's off. So even though like, it's 100 points, I know it's 100 points, it's a lot of points. I get 100 points come easy. So I shouldn't be, it's not like it's a one-off thing. So I shouldn't have such an emotional reaction to it. I'm like, damn, that shit pissed me off. But I did. So I know say, oh, something is off. So even though I could have, that's why I was saying that I want to see longs come into the market, even though this the 9:30 candle normally that's him go long here,
Yeah.
but nah, I'm just not really feel it. And I know there's liquidity beneath here, and our first target would have to be the opening price. Would have to be the opening price of this candle right here. But I want to see the if we can go beneath here first. See what can happen beneath here first. But if we can't get back beneath here, we'd have to use some type of PD array inside of here. I know you're seeing this right here. So this fair value gap right here. So
I didn't know.
in this is also an imbalance right here. So this is also an imbalance. But I know you see this the fair value gap order pairing.
Look.
But this is where I would like to see it go to first. Before I want to see it go here. I'd rather take a buy from here than from here. Because this is gap, but this is me opening myself to gap risk. You know what I mean? But I know that the first draw should be here. The second draw is 700, 12,700. Wow. I'd actually buy that, to be honest with you. Yeah. You see, if that candle right there, so the reason I say actually I would have buy it is because that candle right there, it should have died. In the first 30 seconds, it should have died. So once I see it say it now did, would have buy that right there. So at 30 seconds in. And that's our first target, the opening price. Look at the react. You gotta see the reaction at the opening price of that candle. We are either bust straight or the opening price are gonna send it down to here. It's much better when I use my own charts because now I can actually not have to annotate and then fuck with it.
Yeah.
I hate that shit so much.
Yeah, but I don't know why you always say, "Yo," I guess it's because
No,
you get
because remember, say I'm teaching
more
you,
credit
so
more.
like I want you to do it.
Yeah.
But now, since I'm not really, you have an idea of how what we are doing, you know. So yeah. Oh, well, what else I was going to do again? All right, so yeah, this is our first target, 700. Let's get 700 out. These highs, yeah, it's already marked though. But let me actually remove this. Remove this and just highlight this as the buy side liquidity. Boom. See that premium imbalance right there, so that order block there. That's not a normal order block. That order block they print for a reason. Buy side liquidity will be like, all right. So this is our first target where you saw we accumulate below it. So it wouldn't be a surprise to me if we hit into this and then we start trading downwards because we're accumulating buy side. We're below an imbalance.
Yeah.
Top debt. I'm a trade gold. I've never touched that shit ever.
That's too much to
I think
trade.
it's trading gold. That's so fucking weird, bro. Y'all niggas. But you see that? Look at that. Top to the T. This is why this is what I do is not. It's not. Wait, did it get top to the T? What is opening price? The closing price? Oh, 12.6 2. Nope, not to the T. Wait, is it? It's a little bit off, but let's see now. Oop,
Like a
yeah.
point. I 1 point.
Rush Street or top or Rush Street. I know that's taken still. I'll be looking up here. Oh, damn, my model is fucking nuts, you know. When I really and truly free, that is it. So that would have been my first partial. When that alarm went off, that would be my first partial. You would tell me say, yeah, time for a partial out. So there's a specific range that is formed right here. So entirely right here. What's price is that? Right here.
That's
So
the
that
this after
range,
candle.
the
That down.
range is a range in time.
Right. Oh.
It's a range in time.
9:30
So
to
the
what?
range is not, huh?
What at 9:30 to 9:45?
No, it's within this. It's within this time. It's price region, but it's not within this
Mhm.
time region. But it's
Oh,
a reference. It's a reference point that the algo uses to create to it uses this range as a look back range to look back at the previous cycles to see which imbalances and which liquidities have not been hit. And based on that, it will create Asia and London, or what we know as Asia and London. So I know that range is a very, very, very sensitive range. It's really sensitive. But I say we be aiming for here. So this is not our target is not here. So I wouldn't be scared out of it. I'd partial and break even. I'd probably have my stops in some type of profit. I wouldn't have it at break even. I'd have it in some type of profits. Um where the trend being. There was something else also I wanted to talk about. Something important. Still side liquidity. That's definitely getting taken today. But I need this first. I need this first. It completes my model. And I go to bust through the range, I like it. It no no say it there. I don't like that shit at all. I guess we could retap this breaker right here. Because it's a breaker plus it's a order pairing candle. I guess we could IOFED it. But I don't think we need that. This is a balanced price range, by the way. We have sell side, buy side. It's a balanced price range. If we enter back this balanced price range, the candle that leaves it, any type of imbalance that it leaves, is a very high probability imbalance.
where does 50% of the drop land?
50% would in this inside of this
Oh, that 100-point drop
this
from yeah,
50%
of that
is
long time.
from
Just
here to
oh, just not just
here. Huh?
just the candle itself.
Oh, you're looking at it as a imbalance,
Yeah.
price imbalance. Okay. You're looking at it as a price imbalance, still don't hit above 50%. So these sales are not valid because it's not C, it's not they don't even hit CE of it. Yeah. Yeah. It ain't hit CE yet. But I'm sure we're heading for this. I'm sure 160,000% sure. But I know that there is buy side, the sell side liquidity beneath here too. I know that for a fact. It's a up candle it's a up candle creating a low too. That's no
Mm.
bueno.
Well, my turn.
But do you realize you see how we're accumulating here?
Yeah, right
There's
above
some
imbalance.
this region, there's something going on here. Some freaky shit. Uh, all right. So right now, Are we taking liquidity or not? Let's see. This right here so is liquidity in an imbalance. But are we at the drawn liquidity yet? No, we're not. We're not at the drawn liquidity yet. Last time we took stops in this range was here. Let's see this. That's also a nice imbalance. Let's go down to the M5. Just opening price of this like that. Damn. Damn. Balance looking fat as hell. But yeah, watch us draw up to this. And let's see the reaction here too.
I don't know, man.
Damn. So they look like it's 100% hit rate there. This I'd be so deep in these lungs, it's not even a joke, bro. I'd probably have like let me see where I'd actually enter though.
Then the first entry would be all the way down on the OB at
Yeah. Let me see it first. It's my drawn liquidity and this is my low. This is 50%, this is 25%, this is 75% right here. So first entry, my first entry would have been here.
That OB right there.
It would have been here. We have consolidation here. We have order block. We have discount and premium of the OB that we traded into the premium. That's very, very good. It's likely because it's above CE. So I'm long right there. My target is there. It's 200 points. Damn. I'd be eating 100 points here. I'd eat 200 points here. But that's the first position. Second position, we rallied higher. Once we close higher on this and took out the short-term high, any retracement down to 50%, I'd buy that.
Your buying would have been, there, yeah. Third entry was right there.
Third entry would be at 25% retest of this.
Yeah. It was have to be higher.
I'd have to once I see a top of the breakout, I'm in that beach. It'd have to be a down candle tapping it though. So I'd have to wait for this down candle. My stops at the lower the breakout. Damn, this is this aid. Aid. Wait. 50% no entry there. 25% no entry there. 75% no entry there. So those are my three entries. Those are my three entries. But those are the pays still. Today is a good day. Watch that draw. I don't think I could trade anymore for today still. Because this realistically, this would have ended my day because I'd at least hit
5%.
5 to 7%. Yeah, 5 to 7% already. And really and truly, I wouldn't really care. We eat the lion. I just mention to you all the time. Once you're able to eat the lion's portion of the move, 70% and more, this is already 70%. We already eat that. So we break even, we take most of our money out of this already. We don't really give a fuck. Of course, I know it's going to hit this, but do I really care? Do I really give a fuck if it hits that? If I'm floating 7%, am I really going to hold out just for 1.5% more? Just because I know say that I hit it?
I'll probably, can I annotate here?
On God, that would be some type of that would be some greedy shit.
Right?
And the market hates greedy niggas. Trust me. I'm one of the most greedy persons ever. And that's our TP. Watch this.
Wow.
Debt. TP hit and the man him said, I'm a broke kind of dog. You say, well, you can access yours and me can't access mine.
Mm-hmm.
Them know say what mistake. Man them say, man say, damn, this nigga first day and the man make 5% already. This nigga pump up. Let me just restrict that youth, yours. These niggas are treacherous. Do you see that reaction? That
Yeah.
is crazy, right?
That.
And people don't believe that this is real, like that the algo is a thing.
Man, my
That's
book
crazy to me, bro. That's so crazy to me. Like I can call this tick for tick. Because it's an algo. Once you study it enough, your human brain are gonna just pick up on on different stuff that it does. You get me? It'll pick up on different stuff that it does. So eventually eventually you're gonna pick up on stuff too, and you're gonna able to create the model. Probably not the same model, but you're gonna realize certain stuff. And yeah, eventually get it. But are we at the drawn liquidity yet? Yeah, we tap the drawn liquidity. We tap the
Session draw, but not the overall.
who tell you that? So that's a session draw. Session draw, yes. For that specific cycle, that was a draw for the specific cycle.
Man, but hey, man, been a studying it, like, brother. I hardly
That's good.
sleep, dog. I hardly sleep.
That's good. That's good. You'll so reach, dog. Bro, you see, if it does take 2 more years, if you don't make any money for the next 2 years, 2 years from now, you have a reach your full. It's crazy how stupidly rich this shit is. And it's completely rigged. It's completely rigged. How did I know that this would lead to down here? And that once this has been reached, this is a breaker. Because this is all impure price action. All of this is impure price action. All of this. So it's would be like a balanced price range. Break out of it. You see this right here, so look at the reaction when we get back down to here. The fair value gap created here. You will close out, yeah. Look at the reaction when we get back down to here. See these equal highs? If we get back down to here, those equal highs don't exist anymore. That's if we don't take those equal highs out first. But we could take out those equal highs, do a reversal, and then target this because a high probability fair value gap. It's a very high probability fair value gap.
50%.
Mm-hmm. So you see how me looking at your charts and not being able to like consistently analyze my 1 minute time frame, it kind of hinders me.
Mm-hmm.
But that it had to happen that way because you need to know you needed to have the experience firsthand, you know. But I have less than 1 minute. Oh, it's somebody did join.
Yeah.
Guess who would have guessed? Man get beer sauce a while ago.
I mean, man.
Who that?
The drummer, man.
Oh, bomba, man, see the master in action. I like them longs, they know.
Yeah, man, I have to take in a lesson, you know?
Longs, they sweet. Them longs, they sweet, man. I'm never take them at all, you know, because I missed my first trade, the shorts from over here.
Mm.
Those are my first shorts, and well, my broker fuck with me. Them love fuck with profit.